Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will explain how to fix monitor screen flickering and troubleshooting made simple. Number 1. Check cable connections. Ensure all video cables are securely connected. Replace any damaged or low quality cables. Number 2. Update graphic drivers. Visit your graphics card manufacturer website to download and install the latest drivers. Number 3. Adjust refresh rate. Right-click on the desktop and select Display Settings. Navigate to Advanced Display Settings and click on Display Adapter Properties. Under the Monitor tab, set the refresh rate to the recommended value. Number 4. Disable hardware acceleration. In applications like web browsers, disable hardware acceleration to prevent conflicts. Number 5. Test with another monitor. Connect your computer to a different monitor to determine if the issue is hardware related. Thanks for watching.